Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today I'm going to set up Cisco ICE in my EVNG. Here you can see just I have uploaded ICE on my EVNG. I'm going to turn it on for the first time and let me show you how you can also set up it. So let's start this device and let me take the console. Now this device will boot up and it will land me on localhost login prompt. Just wait, let me show you. See, it's saying press enter to continue. Let me enter. Now you can see this is localhost login prompt. Here it is asking for the login and you can read here, please type setup to configure the application, right? So to configure application, here you need to type setup, right? I'm going to set up it for GUI access. So setup, enter. Now it is asking for host name. Enter the host name. So let's say my host name is ICE1. Okay. Enter the IP address. It is asking for the IP address of this interface G0 Giga Ethernet 0/0 or G0. Right. You can say interface Giga Ethernet bit 0. So my IP address is going to be, let's say, 192.168.1.80, right? So I'm going to configure this IP address on the ICE interface. Enter the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Enter the default gateway IP address. It is going to be 192.168.1.1, which is the IP address of my router, internet router. Actually, this network is connected to my home network through this management interface. Here you can see, and this is the IP address of my router gateway IP address. Now enter the DNS IP address. So 8.8.8.8. Domain name can't be an IP address. So it is asking for the domain name, right? Not the IP address. So let me say, let's say lab.local is my domain name. Now primary DNS server, now 8.8.8. Secondary DNS server, no required. Let me enter. NTP server, again this is optional, but you can give the NTP server information. pool.ntp.org. Now add the another NTP, not required. Enter the system time zone. So my time zone is Asia Kolkata. So let me type Asia Kolkata, enter. Enable SSH. So if you want to enable SSH, here you can say yes. So yes, I want to enable SSH. Simply I'm going to say yes. My username, so my username is going to be admin. Enter the password. Let me type my password. Then repeat password. So this is the first, admin is the first user for GUI access. Bringing up network interface, just wait for some time. Now it will take some time for the installation. ICE will start initial configuration and service setup. This part takes time. It can take 15 to 30 minutes in EVNG. So I am going to pause video for some time, and once uh, ICE will be ready, again I will resume the video. ICE is not able to reach NTP server. Here it is asking for the information of NTP server. Here I can give the gateway IP address 1.1. My gateway IP address as NTP server. Do not use Control C for this point. Installing applications. Initial setup for application ICE is getting ready. Just wait for some time. Here you can see the log message. Welcome to the ICE initial setup. Now you can see it has taken around 15 minutes, and finally I am on the login page. Let's log in with credential admin, and my password was test. So you can see I got the login. Here I can verify the status of system. So first of all, so application and status ICE question mark. Okay, so application status, so application status and command is not available. Here you can say ICE like this. We can check the status and check like it is ready for GUI access or not. So most of the services are not running right now. Few services are running, like application service server is not running. You can see here. Again I am running this command, same command. So still you can see most of the services are not running, so it will take some more time. Okay, I will wait for some time because this is first boot up in. Now you can see most of the services are running. When all the services are running, application server is running. Now you can wait for some more time. Few services are still not running, but I think you can now access your ICE through GUI. Here you can see I got the access. Let me access it. Here you can see this is the main login page. Here username is admin, password is this one. Let me say login. And finally we got the login main dashboard of Cisco ICE. Here you can perform the basic ICE GUI setup. Accept. Here you can see this is the main dashboard of your Cisco ICE.